today I am in Bath and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm not actually going just to Bath, I'm actually going to Cornwall, but it's a little bit of a stop off, but I thought I'd just show you guys around. So we're just about to head to the Roman baths and I just thought I'd show you the Abbey. I'm hoping to get in there, but I don't know if I'll have enough time today. There it is, and exploring! So I'm in the queue for the Roman baths. There's always a queue here. And behind me, you've got Bath Abbey. So pretty. How beautiful is the inside of the Roman baths. I want it, guys. Make sure you pre-book tickets as I'm stuck at this now. So this is inside Roman baths. I'm just about to go outside, it's not a great shot from here, so I'll film it when I get outside. These are the hot springs. Well, they don't look very hot right now, but it is like 30 degrees outside, so there you go. So these are all gravestones that have been left undiscovered. So these are the actual foundations of the original baths. And look, incredible. We're actually walking on them, so right underneath them. So this arch you actually see in front of us, that is actually from the 2nd century spring building. So over the years they've obviously had to build on top of it to kind of maintain it and make sure it stays the way it is, but that is actually still, that archway there, is actually still from the 2nd century. How fascinating. So that last shot was of the Sacred Springs and I'm just about to go out to the baths. Oh my god, they look absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you. These are absolutely beautiful. I mean, I know the water's green, but still it's quite impressive. That's where I was before. The Roman baths were actually known for their healing qualities, so people would travel over from places like London. London was known where the aristocracy lived, and they'd come here to come and bathe in the waters, because they actually believed that by bathing in the water it would heal them of any illnesses or any issues that they were actually having. And the unique thing about them is that they were open to anyone, so you would get everyone from the rich, the poor, even the slaves would actually come and actually bathe in these waters, and that's absolutely fascinating. We've stopped off at Sally Lunn's to have tea and get some lunch. Sally Lunn's actually been here since the 1700s, so it's pretty old, and what it's really famous for are these buns that Sally Lunn apparently created when she first came to Bath, and they've now become world famous. I'm having the cream tea today, so I will film it and show you how to take it. So this is the Sally Lunn's bun. You always get half, because I don't think you could have one that's whole. I mean, that's the size of my hand and that's how big the bun is, so it's quite massive. I've got the one with the cinnamon butter on top and then the clotted cream. Let's try this. So this is one of the oldest bridges in Bath and it's called Nybridge, and you can actually get boat rides, which I've just learnt today, actually down the river, and I wish I'd known before because I definitely would have tried it. And there's a man paddling. Oh, and he's gone upside down. Is that a good thing? I don't know, don't think so. But yeah, here's the bridge. So I'm inside the Bath assembly rooms, and this is where traditionally they would have dances and really fancy meetings and balls. Can you imagine just being in a Jane Austen novel and just being able to dance to repair? How cool would that be? This is incredible. so pretty. I mean, you can just imagine the dances they would have had in here back then. And through here, it's another room. Oh my god, wow. Look at this. It's so Regency. Honestly, I love Regency novels, and this is dream. Okay guys, so I'm walking in the circus, which is actually completely circular. So all these houses that you see around me, they've actually been built in a circle, which is why it's called the circus. And the reason why is because if you look from above, it actually is a big circle. So yeah, I don't know much about the history behind it, so don't even try and quote me on it. But you do feel a bit like you're walking in the Jane Austen novel. The houses are absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little Bath vlog. I'm going to end it here because we're about to head off to Cornwall now, and then I'll start afresh when we go to Cornwall. So I hope you enjoyed my little insight into Bath, and I will be doing a blog post about it as well, so make sure you check that out, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye!